Roblox is pretty cool gaming platform where you can play a lot of games, but how you can unfollow everyone on Roblox is pretty something which is not easy. Roblox doesn't allow everyone to unfollow in just one click. So what you need to do is you can manually unfollow them all. But if you think it's hard, then you can follow the plugin. This is the plugin called Row Seal plugin. This is the plugin that allows you to unfollow all the people that you want, everyone. But remember, this is against the guidelines of the Roblox to use such plugins. So always remember, this can definitely ban your account, but this works all the time. You can see on the screen how is this working. So this was how you can simply just unfollow people all at once. There are other alternatives too, but that is one of the best extensions on the Reddit community called Rosil. So yeah, you can try it. It's available on Chrome Store. I'm using Brave here, so it's available on Brave too. So all the Chromium browser has this extension. So yep, you can try out. It has lakhs of users, and I'll see you in the next one.